Hello, in this video you'll learn how to review documents efficiently using the Assignments feature, which helps distribute and track review work across teams. Assignments are used to divide document review work into manageable batches and assign those batches to reviewers. They help ensure that work is evenly distributed and progress is tracked. Documents are reviewed only once unless tagged for further review or reassigned. Assignments ensure that reviewers are not duplicating or overlapping during the review process. To begin reviewing documents batched into assignments, navigate to the Assignments section below the Folders list on the dashboard. You may have batches assigned to you, which will appear in a list below the Assignments list. If so, locate your assigned batch. If you do not have assigned batches, you will see a number of batches available in blue to the right of the assignments. Click on the blue list and it will pull up batches of documents for review. Click on the box to the left of the named batch and choose Check Out from the fields above the list of assignments. Once you have checked out a batch, other reviewers will not be able to check out that batch until you have checked it back in. Batches that you have checked out will be listed under the Assignments tab on the grid view. Your progress through the batch can also be viewed from the Assignments list. To check a batch back in, select the batch from the Assignments list, click on the box to the left, and select the Check In option from the fields above the list of assignments. If you have completed the batch and there are no further review items, you can choose Mark Complete on the Check-In pop-up screen. To review documents within an assignment, open the first document in the assignment you have checked out by clicking on the blue View option to the far left on the document grid. As you review and tag documents, the system will track your progress, and you can see the number of documents reviewed and tagged, as well as the number of documents remaining for review under the Assignments list. When you select View, a tagging profile will appear on your screen along with the document. The tags are set up in consultation with counsel, but typically include options to designate a document as responsive or non-responsive to discovery requests, privileged or not privileged, and whether the document should be branded as confidential. Some coding profiles have a field that permits you to add notes to identify why you marked a document for further review or why there is an issue with the document. After reviewing and tagging a document, click Save and Next above the tagging profile to move to the next document. Reveal tracks your progress within the assignment by the number of documents reviewed, remaining documents to be reviewed in the batch, and the percentage of completed documents. If you need to leave the database and return later, you will have an option to go back to only the unreviewed documents in your assignment. In summary, to ensure efficient and accurate review, follow a consistent review process for every document, apply tags and fields accurately, and follow instructions for tagging families. Add notes when necessary, such as when you tag a document for further review. Stay focused on your assigned batch. Avoid leaving documents in your assigned batches untagged or with incomplete tagging. Now you know how to review documents efficiently using the Assignments feature, which helps distribute and track review work across teams. Contact your consultant if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other videos.